Is over. The high octane clash is live, with Shoyam bowling his leg spin and Priyansh Munia batting. This is part 2. In part 1, Shoyam batted against left armer under 14 seamer who is good at swinging the ball. Your link in description. Now witness a role reversal. Those who are new, Shoyam is batting all-rounder with leg spin bowling his second trick. You can see him doing the bowling drills. See how well he is spinning ball. His first ball to Priyansh Munia and it seems he has gotten the wicket. Has he gotten the edge? Let's see in slow-mo. The bowling action he seems to have flighted the ball. A straighter ball with top spin. Ball seems to have clearly deviated from its path and it's out. Second ball to Priyansh Munia and it's a fuller ball defended on the front foot by Priyansh. Let's see what happens on the next ball. Shoyam goes for the straighter one and Priyansh misses. Back of the land, top spin is doing the trick for Shoyam here. Priyansh is missing the couple of deliveries and getting beaten. But this time not an edge. He's safe. Let's see another ball. This time you can see that Shoyam is bringing the ball in. It's a googly ball. Goal is to cram the batsman by bringing the ball in. He is making a Chakravyuh. Let's see what he does. And this time it's a leg spin and an edge again. It's leg spin by Shoyam. And this time the batsman is taken by surprise. He was playing for a straighter one, but because of leg spin, he got an edge. This time it's a shorter delivery, played easily by Priyansh Munia on back foot. This time Shoyam goes for a fuller one, but full and easily played on the front foot by Priyansh Munia. The leg stump line this time, but Priyansh misses it as it spins into his body. Half volley this time from Shoyam and played easily by Priyansh. Shows low margin of error for bowlers. He misses his line, balls a half volley, which is easily put away by Priyansh towards cover. Shot played towards the cover. Anticipating batsman coming down the track, Shoyam bowls a slower one. Priyansh defends on the front foot. Shoyam is mixing up and Priyansh is playing cautiously every ball. On this ball, it's a back of the length ball and Priyansh edged it again. Let's see in slow-mo. Back of the length, leg spinning ball and Priyansh has edged it again. Clear deflection. Sound is also clearly audible. Back of the length ball again and Priyansh mitigates it on the front foot. Back of the length ball, pitching in good length area. Priyansh goes forward and somehow tries to put a bat, but he has edged it to the point. It could be a wicket. It's a short ball this time from Shoyam and put away beautifully by Priyansh. See in slow-mo. It's a bad delivery and put away on the rise. His bad deliveries are trap. Moves the length forward this time, all turning sharply away. As we can see in slow-mo. Priyansh got saved as he checks his shot and does not tries to play the ball. Same delivery this time, but he learns from his past mistake. Batsman stays on the back foot and see how he cuts it. Maybe Shoyam is tiring up now as he is bowling more shorter deliveries which are easily put away by Priyansh. Couple of short deliveries, Shoyam bowls a fuller one which actually gets him as another wicket as Priyansh plays away from the body and lobs it in the air for Shoyam to catch. It's good to see Shoyam come back after a couple of bad deliveries. Another one this time played easily towards cover on the front foot. This time short and wide again and cut away easily towards cover. Will Shoyam come back? It does, using a faster delivery and arm ball directly into the wicket defended by Priyansh. You compare with other deliveries, Shoyam puts his shoulder into this one. It was an arm delivery, bounces low going into the stump. Batsman was forced to defend on the front foot. This was definitely a wicket-worthy delivery. But this time, Priyansh does not let it spin and defends on front foot. The length delivery, probably a googly, but Priyansh couldn't time it. Fuller delivery this time, Priyansh defends on the front foot with a straight bat. Short and straight ball by Shoyam and pulled away easily by Priyansh. Due to long and continuous spell, Shoyam is getting tired and bowling shorter lengths now. Here for batsman to play. The leg stump line, a top spin and Priyansh misses while pulling it. Spells are tiring, but spinners have to learn to do it as they are required to do it in longer format of the match. Full, slow and beats the batsman. Is it a stumping chance? Let's check. Batsman is committed on the front foot and his back foot is in the air. Definitely a stumping chance. Leg is not behind the cone as can be seen in slow-mo. Time it pitches into the middle and spins into the batsman. Normal leg spin played easily towards cover. And short delivery thrashed to the covers. Back of the length, top spin defended on the front foot. Shoyam pulls his length back. Batsman plays the same shot and it's an edge again. Shoyam pulls the length back. Priyansh misreads it. Goes for the same front foot defense. Ball spins and bounces. Takes the edge towards the point. Thumbs up our practice. But for the subscriber who have watched till the very end, there's a gift if you can answer how many wickets did Shoyam bag.